Slow cooked food is more tastier, isn't it? Normally, mutton is cooked slowly so that the gravy will be more flavorful and mutton becomes soft and tender. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alka. Today I am going to show you easy tasty mutton curry prepared in pressure cooker. The cooking method is very easy and simple. The mutton gravy turns out to be very tasty. So friends, let's get started. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get immediate notification of new videos as soon as I upload it. I have taken 500 grams of mutton and washed it properly with the water. For marination, I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mutton masala, then 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Some salt, we'll add more salt later as needed. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of fresh curd, use only fresh curd, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Mustard oil will leave its flavor to the mutton nicely, so do not forget to add this. Mix it well and keep it for marination for at least 30 minutes. You can also keep it in refrigerator for more time. I have taken 2 finely chopped tomato, 2 potato cut into half pieces with skin. This tastes good with mutton curry, but this is optional. You can skip it if you don't want. Next, 3 finely chopped onion and some green chili. I am preferring one dry masala which adds more taste. Dry roast some cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, green cardamom, clove for some time on medium flame until it releases aroma. Then transfer this to a pestle and crush it into a fine powder. Keep it aside. We'll use this masala at the end. Friends, this type of homemade masala are fresh and give more taste and flavor to the recipes. Heat a pressure cooker and adding 50 ml of mustard oil. For half kg of mutton, I am taking 50 ml of oil. Take the oil amount accordingly. Once oil is heated properly on high flame, fry the potato until light brown from both sides on medium flame. By frying potato like this, it will be half cooked and it tastes good. Once done, keep it aside. Then add some dry spices, cinnamon sticks, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 4 to 5 green cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, and saute these slightly. Then add the onions and saute the onions until it turns to light brown color. Do not overcook the onions. Green chili and 1 garlic. Garlic will release its flavor and taste to the whole mutton curry, so do not forget to add this. This is a secret ingredient. Onion has turned light brown. Now adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook this on low flame until raw smell of paste goes away. It's done now. Adding tomato and some more salt, which will help the tomato to become soft faster. Tomatoes have become soft and mixed well with the masala and oil has separated from the masala. Now time to add dry masalas. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder which will add nice red color to the gravy, and 1 tablespoon of mutton masala. Mix everything together and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Masala is done, add the marinated mutton and mix it well. Since this is slow cooking method, cook it only on low flame for 30 minutes and check the mutton in every 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it and add little amount of water if required to avoid burning from the bottom of the pressure cooker, which can spoil whole recipe. So add little amount of water if masala is sticking to the bottom of the pressure cooker. Cooking time may vary, will depend on the size and type of the mutton. Now adding the potato and mix it well. One teaspoon of garam masala and pinch of mutton masala. Mix it well. At this stage you can check the salt and add the salt if required. Now adding the homemade masala which I have prepared in the beginning. Mix it. Now time to add the water. Water amount depends on you how much gravy you want. I am adding half glass of water and mix it. Cover the lid. Cook this first on high flame till first whistle. Then turn the flame to low and cook for 10 more minutes or up to 3 whistles. Then let the gas gets released naturally. After opening the lid, garnish with some coriander leaves. So now delicious mouth-watering mutton gravy is ready to be served. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. Please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new upcoming videos. Do check out my channel for such interesting videos and recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.